Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today, for something different, I'm going to try Palitaw, something I've not had before. I've seen it in the Philippines, but I've never actually tried it. It's a snack and you can buy it in a sari store. I think you can buy it in supermarkets as well. Okay guys, so we have the glutinous flour, we have the sugar, we have the water, and for the topping, once it's been made, the actual Palitaw, we have the coconut with brown sugar, and that's the topping. As I mentioned earlier, I absolutely love coconut, and well, who doesn't like sugar? So alright guys, let's get to it, let's make it. Alright guys, so the water has been boiled and the Palitaw has been made. We now have to cook it, so in it goes into the water. Boil it until it, well, hopefully it will float. My wife is putting it in. Okay guys, so it's been cooked. In the Philippines, this is the original version of the Palitaw. You can actually get grated chocolate and mix it with that, but I like the original recipe because this is my first time, and I like the authentic versions. So there's no sugar, chocolate on this one, but as I say, you can add whatever you like to it. Let's get this one. Alright guys, so there we go. There's the Palitaw. This is my first time trying it. It's been cooked. Let's try. It's a good combination. It's sticky with the glutinous flour, and it's got the taste of coconut, and it's got the sugar coming through. Together it's a wonderful combination. I'm trying to think what this glutinous flour tastes like. It's really sticky, it's really soft. Well, the texture on the outside of like pierogi, I don't know if you've been in Poland, but that's what I would say the texture is like. Taste wise, it's very sticky. It's delicious. It's got the combination of sticky with the glutinous rice and also with the coconut and the sugar. It's absolutely delicious altogether. Guys, I'm going to eat this and maybe have some coffee. Let me know how you cook yours, and until the next video, take care guys.